So the question here is, what will be the output of the following pseudocode when parameters are passed by reference and dynamic scoping is used? So if you will see here, this is the pseudocode which is given to us, and parameters are passed as a reference and dynamic scoping is used. Okay, so our program will start from here, void main MA. So in this statement, if you will see, A is not locally defined. If A is not locally defined, we need to define this A with the global value of A. Now, what is global value of A? 3. So it will be passed as MA, and A is 3. So it will be referred to this block. Which block? It will be referred to this block, because this is the block of M. Now in this block My, and this Y is referred by A, that is reference passing is here. In parameter passing, we are passed by references here. So value of A here is 3. So currently Y will be passed as a 3. Now A equals to 1. Here A is locally defined, and A equals to Y minus A. So here A equals to Y minus A simply means that Y that is, it is holding the value as a 3 minus A, locally defined 1. It is equals to 2. So there is a modification in the local value of A, and currently the local value of A in the block M is 2. Now NA is passed. So this A will take the local value of this block. So N2, this will be passed. So if you will see, this will be passed. So we need to go here. If we go here, N, 2, it is passed here. X will behave itself as a 2. Now X equals to X into A. So this X will derive value which is passed as a reference from A to X. So X equals to 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay. And now it will print X. So what it will print? It will print 4 first. So first 4 will get to print. Okay. After that, this block is executed completely. So again, we will come back to this. We will come back to this loop. That is, we will come back to M loop. But now X will behave as a 4. Why X will behave as a 4? Because we are passing by reference. If we are passing by reference, then globally the value of X will be changed. So it will change everywhere. So if X here is a 4, so here it will also behave as a 4, because parameter is passed by reference. So everywhere it is changed. Now we need to print A. What is the value of A? We come back with the value of 4, because it is parameter passed by reference. So again, print A. Value of A is 4. Okay. So 4 and 4 would be the output of this question. Guys, if you are finding any doubt or query in this question, please do ask me again and again. I will try to solve this question very carefully, and it is very interesting question, guys. In terms of programming, it is very important question. Such kind of questions must you have to practice in order to qualify, get with good score, because this is very conceptual question, and I hope you got to know about it. But if still you have any kind of doubt, please let me know. I will try to solve your all doubts as early as possible from my side. Thank you guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.